Nasti gobhis samang dhanam. There is no wealth like a cow. A cow is the storehouse of all the deities, all the gods and goddesses, and the symbol of all the prosperities. कक्षा नवमी संस्कृत शेमुषी संस्कृत साहित्यम तृतीय पाठ गोदोहनम मिल्किंग काव एतत् नाट्यांशं कृष्णचन्द्रत्रिपाठिमहोदयैः रचितात् चतुर्व्यूहम् इति पुस्तकात् संक्षिप्य सम्पाद्य च उद्धृतम्. It's an act of a drama named Chaturvyuham written by Krishnachandra Tripathi. अस्मिन् नाटके एतादृशस्य जनस्य कथानकमस्ति यः धनवान् सुखाकाङ्क्षी च भवितुम् इच्छुकः मासपर्यन्तं दुग्धदोहनादेव विरमति. Here in this act there is a story of such a man who stops milking his cow till a month. Thus येन मासान्ते धेनोः शरीरे सञ्चितं पर्याप्तं दुग्धम् एकवारमेव विक्रीय सम्पत्तिमर्जयितुं समर्थः भवेत्. Thus he can earn a plenty of money after a month milking the cow together. परम but मासान्ते यदा सः दुग्धदोहनाय प्रयतते, when he attempts to milk the cow after a month, तदा सः दुग्धबिन्दुमपि न प्राप्नोति. He doesn't get even a single drop of milk. दुग्धप्राप्तिस्थाने सः धेनोः प्रहारैः रक्तरञ्जितः भवति. He gets kicked by the cow and gets injured. अवगच्छति च and now understands यत् दैनन्दिनं कार्यं यदि मासपर्यन्तं सङ्गृह्य क्रियते तदा लाभस्य स्थाने हानिरेव भवति. And understands that the work of every day should be done daily, regularly, and no work should be kept to be done after a month or a year. So Prathamang Drishyam, first scene of the drama. मल्लिका मोदकानि रचयन्ति मंदस्वरेण शिवस्तुतिं करोति. Mallika, a female character, is lip sing the prayer of Lord Shiva while she prepares some sweets. ततः प्रविशति मोदकगन्धम् अनुभवन् प्रसन्नमनः चन्दनः. aha सुगन्धस्तु मनोहरः, very sweet fragrance, and bilokya, look at the place where the sweets are being prepared. Aye modakani rachyante, oh sweets are being prepared. This sentence has been written in passive voice. Modakani rachyante, sweets are being prepared. Now prasannah bhutva, being happy, aswadayami tavat, let me taste modakam grahitum ichhati, and attempts to take one of them. Mallika sakrodham, Mallika getting angry. Virama, wait, mas prasha etani modakani, don't touch these sweets. Chandanah, kimartham kridhyasi, how are you being angry? तव हस्तनिर्मितानि मोदकानि दृष्ट्वा अहं जिह्वालोलुपतां नियन्त्रयितुमक्षमः अस्मि। किं न जानासि त्वमिदं? Do not you know this, that I can't keep control over my greediness to taste the sweets that are being made by you? मल्लिका सम्यग सम्यग अवगच्छामि, सम्यक जानामि नाथ, नाथ स्वामिन, pati, husband. So now it is clear that Chandan is the husband of Mallika, and Mallika says to Chandan, Samyak janami nath. Yes, I know very well. Param etani modakani puja nimittani santi. But these sweets are meant for puja, worship. Chandanah tari shigramev pujanam sampadaya prasadam cha dehi. Then you perform your puja quickly and give me prasad. मल्लिका भो अत्र पूजनं न भविष्यति. I am not going to perform my puja here. अहं स्वसखिभिः सह श्वः प्रातः काशी विश्वनाथ मंदिरं प्रति गमिष्यामि. I will go to Kashi Vishwanath Mandir tomorrow in the morning with my friends. तत्र गंगा स्नानं धर्मयात्रां च वयं करिष्यामः. We shall perform there Ganga Snan. We shall take a bath in the holy river Ganga and start our excursion, Dharma Yatra, Tirtha Yatra. Chandanah सखिभिः सह न मया सह विषादं नाटयति. विषादं नाटयति नाराजगी जताना. Acts as angry, as depressed, as sad. Why with your friends? Why not with me? Mallika yes. Champa, Gauri, Maya, Mohini, Kapiladyaha sarvaha gachanti. All my friends like Champa, Gauri, Maya, Mohini, Kapila are going. अतः मया सह तवागमनस्य औचित्यं नास्ति. It will not be decent. It will not be decent if you are coming with me. वयं सप्ताहान्ते प्रत्यागमिष्यामः. We shall come back after a week. तावत् गृहव्यवस्थां धेनोः दुग्धदोहनव्यवस्थां च परिपालय. And until we come back after a week, you have to manage the household and milking the cow. Chandanah astu gaccha. Okay, you go. सखिभिः सह धर्म यात्रया आनंदिता च भव and take pleasure of excursion with your friends. अहं सर्वमपि परिपालयिष्यामि. I will manage everything. शिवास्ते सन्तु पन्थानः. Wish you a happy and safe journey. चंदनः मल्लिका तु धर्मयात्रायै गता. Mallika went for her excursion. Astu दुग्धदोहनं कृत्वा ततः स्वप्रातराशस्य प्रबन्धं करिष्यामि. Let me milk the cow first and then I shall prepare my breakfast. स्त्रीवेषं धृत्वा दुग्धपात्रहस्तः नन्दिन्याः समीपं गच्छति. स्त्रीवेषं धृत्वा, being costumed as a lady, dugdhapatrahastah, and taking the milk pot like a cane, etc., goes nearer to Nandini Nandini is the name of his cow. Uma, Matulani, Matulani. Uma enters the stage addressing Matulani, Matulani. Matulani means maternal auntie. And Chandana, Ume, aham tu Matulah. I am your uncle, not your auntie. But Matulani, तब मातुलानी तो गंगा स्नानार्थम काशीं गता अस्ति. Your auntie has gone to Kashi for Ganga Snana, for bathing in the holy river Ganga. Kathaya kim te priyam karavani. What can I do as your favor? Uma, Matula, uncle, पितामहः कथयति मासानन्तरम् अस्मद्गृहे महोत्सवः भविष्यति. My grandfather says that there will be a grand function at our home after a month. तत्र 300 सेटकमितं दुग्धम अपेक्षते. 300 cans of milk is required there in the function what is going to be organized at our home after a month. ऐसा व्यवस्था भवद्भिः करणीया. You ought to manage like this. You have to arrange such amount of milk at that time. चंदनः प्रसन्न मनसा with a happy mind. 300 सेटक परिमितं दुग्धम शोभनम अति शोभनम very good. 300 cans of milk दुग्ध व्यवस्था भविष्यति. Your arrangement will be done. एव इति पितामहं प्रति त्वया वक्तव्यम. You go and tell your grandfather that milk will be arranged. उमा धन्यवादः मातुल. यामी अधुना यामी गच्छामि. I am going. अधुना अब. So I am going now. सा निर्गता. उमा exists. तृतीयं दृश्यम थर्ड सीन. चंदनः प्रसन्नो भूत्वा अंगुलिषु गणयन्. By counting with his fingers and being happy. अहो सेटक 300 पयांसि milk, the two in the amount of 300 cans. अनेन तु बहुधनं लप्स्ये. I will get plenty of money. Nandinim दृष्ट्वा looking at the cow. भो नंदिनी, ओ डियर नंदिनी, my cow. तब कृपया तु अहम धनिकः भविष्यामि. I shall be rich by your grace. प्रसन्नः सः धेनोः बहु सेवां करोति. He gives too much service to the cow Nandini. Now Chandanah again चिन्तयति. Thinks मासान्ते एव दुग्धस्य आवश्यकता भवति. Milk is required after a month. यदि प्रतिदिनं दोहनं करोमि तर्हि दुग्धं सुरक्षितं न तिष्ठति. If I milk every day, then milk cannot be preserved for that time. इदानीं किं करवाणि? What should I do now? भवतु नाम मासान्ते एव सम्पूर्णतया दुग्धदोहनं करोमि. let me milk the cow after a month. एवं क्रमेण सप्तदिनानि व्यतीतानि. And this is how 7 days are spent. सप्ताहान्ते मल्लिका प्रत्यागच्छति. मल्लिका comes back to home after a week. मल्लिका प्रविश्य entering. स्वामिन् प्रत्यागता अहम्. I came. आस्वादय प्रसादम्. Now you can taste प्रसाद. चन्दनः मोदकानि खादति वदति च. Now Chandan eats the sweets and tells. मल्लिके तव यात्रा तो सम्यक सफला जाता. Is your journey very good, pleasant, successful and safe? काशी विश्वनाथस्य कृपया प्रियं निवेदयामि. And by the grace of Lord Vishwanath, I will give you a good news. Priyang nivedayami. I will tell you a good news. Mallika saschariyam. Mallika gets surprised. Evam, oh, is it dharma yatratiriktam priyataram kim? What can be good besides excursion, tirtha yatra? चन्दनः ग्रामप्रमुखस्य गृहे महोत्सवः मासान्ते भविष्यति. प्रमुख मुखिया, गांव का मुखिया, द लीडर of the village. So after a month there is a grand function at the home of the leader of our village. तत्र 300 सेटकमितं दुग्धम अस्माभिः दातव्यम् अस्ति. We have to arrange 300 cans of milk for their function. मल्लिका किन्तु एतावन्मात्रं दुग्धं कुतः प्राप्स्यामः? Where can you arrange such amount of milk from? चन्दनः विचारय मल्लिके प्रतिदिनं दोहनं कृत्वा दुग्धं स्थापयामः चेत् तत् सुरक्षितं न तिष्ठति. If we milk our cow every day and keep the milk, that cannot be preserved till their function. अतएव दुग्धदोहनं न क्रियते. And this is why I stopped milking our cow. उत्सवदिने एव समग्रं दुग्धं धोक्ष्यामः. Let us milk the cow on the day of function itself. मल्लिका स्वामिन् त्वं तु चतुरतमः, अत्युत्तमः विचारः. Darling, you are the cleverest. अति उत्तमः विचारः. Very good idea. अधुना दुग्धदोहनं विहाय केवलं नन्दिन्याः सेवाम् एव करिष्यावः. Let us give our best service to Nandini and stop milking. अनेन अधिकाधिकं दुग्धं मासान्ते प्राप्स्यावः. And we can get plenty of milk after a month. द्वावेव धेनोः सेवायां निरतौ भवतः. Both of them get engaged in the service to the cow Nandini. अस्मिन् क्रमे घासादिकं गुडादिकं च भोजयतः. And they started feeding the cow with grass and good jajari. कदाचित् विषाणयोः तैलं लेपयतः, तिलकं धारयतः, रात्रौ नीराजनेन अपि तोषयतः. And this is how they takes they started taking care of the cow Nandini. And now Chandan tells Mallike agaccha, Mallika come, कुंभकारं प्रति चलावः. कुंभकार, कुंभम करोति इति कुंभकारः, घड़ा बनाने वाला. Potter. So let us go to the potter. दुग्धार्थम पात्र प्रबंधोपि करणीयः. And pots like pitcher, like top are also to be arranged for storing the milk. And now द्वावेव निर्गतौ, द्वौ एव द्वावेव अयादि संधि, both of them निर्गतौ, exit. And then fourth scene, chaturtham drishyam. So let us discuss starting from fourth scene in the next video, and keep this much for today. धन्यवाद.